Give me a slice of Gorilla Tape right there.
All right. So this is a on the fly how to fix your when your fuel tank gas cap goes in the water unexpectedly. This is what we do. Do you need a hand?
Got this right there. Beauty. Yeah, that's gonna hold that edge and that edge. Oh, I love it. What?
He's having a great time. Though.
Yes.
Look at him.
Okay.
So you prefer Gorilla Tape over electrical tape?
Yeah, for what we're doing, this is going to give us a good seal. So a little short piece to get
You don't think we should have put 2 Ziplocs?
No, this is perfect.
Perfect?
Okay. Yeah, it's not going to go through. As long as nobody steps on it.
As long as no one pierces it.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Because we are guaranteed going to get water all over the boat.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. All right, so we're sealed there. We're going to need another short piece about yay.
Yay?
Perfect.
This is how you catch the big one.
This is the secret. This is the secret.
Okay, so we're sealed with a plug. We're sealed all the way around here.
Look
Now
at
we're
this.
Seal the bottom edge, and we're good.
Oh,
A little longer?
Pretty sure that's
perfect.
right, because it's moving off the island out to sea, right?
We're all in it.
So that bag is already sealing
That's what's coming our way.
the.
Yeah, so this
nothing
bag has got a
dripping.
plug in
So
it. So
even if it pierces, it's holding it. Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly.
It's like
so
clogging
you're
it.
double sealed right now.
All right. Well, there you guys have it. You saw how to rig your gas cap to go fishing when it's raining out and we don't got a gas cap. Here we go. I appreciate you guys. Looks like we're actually going to get to go fishing today, guys.
Let's do it.
Stay tuned for the action. All right, we are hooked up.
Yay!
We're hooked up and we're in some crazy conditions, guys. Check it out. We got water coming down. Shark, keep going faster, keep going faster. All right, good.
Are you serious?
Yeah, stop. Shit, I think a shark got a jump. Look, the shark got a jump up him already. Check it out.
Oh my God, he did!
Check it out.
Wow.
Yeah! Oh my God! Is the shark still there?
No, we don't want to catch the shark.
Yeah, don't catch the shark. There you go.
Oh, you got it. A lot of people, they missed the whole thing. All right, guys. It's his first time on the boat with Captain Chin, so we're going to bless him. You know what time it is. And now you can see the beating heart of the tuna. Check it out, guys, right here. There it is. Look at it. Boom, boom, boom. Feel it. Feel it. Put it in your hand. Feel it. There you go. Take a nice big shot, baby. Smile.
Eat it!
Come on.
We're gonna brine this fish, okay? We're gonna get it in some salt water and ice, and we're gonna get it properly prepared for some fresh sashimi on the dock when we get in. It'll be the best sashimi you guys ever tried. I promise you that.
He's still moving.
Good job.
He's still moving. Come on. All right. Careful. There are sharks out there. Come on, Roger.
Guide it firm, son. Guide it firm. Let him roll. Oh, you lost. No. I think the shark took it. Yeah, it looks like you did. It looks like you did. You did. Check with the lure there, son. Bring it all in. Okay. That one came off. You'll get another opportunity, hopefully. We're gonna find out if you got the lure. You can't stop. You gotta keep going.
You gotta
Okay?
keep the tension.
Look at him. Look at him.
Shake that hook.
Look at him. Watch how he's doing it. See how he's guiding the line left to right? Yeah. You gotta do that. Keep it coming. Yeah. And you gotta keep coming. You gotta keep coming. That's crazy, right? I saw that bite. That was cool. All right. Set up and try.
That means there's a lot of other fish.
All right, now there's a pot of dolphins on us. Let's see if we can get some footage for you guys. We see him, buddy. We see him. We got Captain Don Pedro at the helm. Don Pedro, say what's up. No, they're here. They're right here in the front. They're right here in the front with us. Oh, they're in the front? Yep. Make sure you go. Drive straight 9 cents.
Got something?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he's quite good.
Okay, grab the line.
Got him?
Lean back.
Oh, he's flanking.
Come on, guys, lean back. Swing it in. Swing it in the boat. Get it down. I need it.
Another yellow fish.
No, that's a rainbow runner.
Oh,
Awesome.
look at that guy.
Good job. You got it in the
Nice
boat.
job.
Good job. You gotta swing it in, which is in your way, but yeah,
Yeah.
good toss.
I'm in the way.
No, it's good. Well, it's no secret. I use treble hooks for this type of fishing. Okay. Anyway, that fish is stuck. We got it, baby.
There you go. There you go. Oh, yeah, he's fighting. You got him? Yeah. Yeah. Come on, Brad. Come on, Bradley. You got it.
Hold on. No. Don't take the rod. Remember, don't take the rod.
Keep rolling, keep rolling.
Yes, you are. You're taking that rod. Don't take it.
Keep rolling, it's a nice fish right here. Keep rolling.
There you go.
Keep rolling, keep rolling.
It's another rainbow runner, it looks like.
Yeah, it's a rainbow runner. Rainbow runner right here, come
Keep it
in.
coming, keep it coming.
Go.
Move away, son. Move back.
Come here, you.
Swing it in the boat.
Swing it in, swing it in.
Swing it in the boat. There we go.
Yeah, Brad! Yeah! Hell yeah!
He almost lost it. You got it, but you almost lost it.
I know,
Look at
I'm
that.
not good.
Look at, watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Look at that. Look at the hook. Oh, look at the fish. That's how close you are to losing it, but you got it. Yeah, baby. We got another one. All right. Who's on bird watch? All you guys celebrate. Triple, baby. Triple. Triple. That one. Say it with me. Triple. We got 3 fish. We got one more here. Hold on. Go. Hold on.
Alright,
Make sure you guide your line, okay?
Guide your line, OT. I got your line.
Keep reeling. All right, guys, we're all on the triple.
Keep going.
Funny part is I was just telling them we just gotta be patient. When the fish are here, they'll bite. You gotta keep reeling, guys. Come on.
Come on, come on.
You wanted this. Keep reeling. Let's go.
Take the rod.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling. This fish is gone. You lost this fish. You're still good. Look. You lost yours too. You still got one on. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Hey, lost 2 out of 3 already. Come on. Make sure he's guiding his line. Pedro, go guide his line. All right. We had a triple. We lost 2. We still got 1 on. Let's hope we can get it. Give him a space, guys. Keep reeling. Just keep reeling. Swing it in. Don't hit the reel. There we go.
Nice one, Okie.
That's a skipjack tuna.
Yeah, baby.
Oh my God. You guys' ratio is horrible. All right, the shark took it. You gotta just bring the line all the way home. Don Pedro, guide the line for him. You gotta do it right-handed. We're all doing it right-handed.
I know.
My son is left-handed. Okay, you want him to do it? You want him to finish it? Yeah. Hey dude, let the 8-year-old do it. Show him how it's done. He's left-handed. He throws with his left. He rights with his left. There we go. Hold on. Don't touch it yet. Don't touch it yet. Hey, I told you. You gotta wait. Okay? Now you can fight it. Okay? Now you can fight it. There we go. Okay?
Come on, Brad. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, Brad.
Keep feeling. Don't worry. It's gonna do that. Okay?
Yeah, he's fighting good.
He's fighting good. Don't worry. Just wait. When he lets you roll, you roll. If you can, then just stop. You get it?
He's still fighting.
I know.
Holy
he
hell.
is. Maybe you got something big. It's a shark, dude. Go. Go. Dude, smooth, okay? Real smooth. Guys, I gotta always walk here. Watch out. All right, let's see if we can get anything to the boat. Help him, son. Help him. Hopefully my lure's still there. I know your fish is not, but hopefully my lure's there. You know what happened, right? This guy who didn't want to eat the tuna heart goes, at least we didn't lose any lures. I think we done lost the lure. Hopefully we did.
Alright, if it's a shark, just my dad's gonna come right over here, but also it's a big yellowfin. Struggling over here. Whoa.
Make sure you guide your line.
Make make sure you guys keep guiding it. It's almost here. It's almost here. Alright, run in the short corner. Run on, also on the other side. Check it out.
Keep reeling.
Oh, that was tangled.
Keep reeling. I know they're tangled, don't worry. Keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. Just relax. Just relax. Yeah, I'll power anything in that.
Right?
Keep turning like that, son. Okay, go on the road now. Roll.
Oh wow, I see him.
Keep going. Turn on the GoPro. Someone, come here.
It's on. It's on.
Let's go slow down very low.
Bring it, bring it, bring it.
Hold on. Yeah, wait, hold on. When I gave this to you, it was recording. Even though you don't see anything in the back, it's still recording. Anyway, guys, check this out. We landed it, baby. Woo! I got one. Look, just aim it. Even if you don't see anything, just aim it. Okay?
It's really hard to catch. Always get this kind of size.
Oh really?
Oh my gosh, guys. That wore me out.
I helped you.
Oh yeah.
I was pulling.
We had two, guys.
Look at that. Look at that guy. Wow. Look at this.
Get close, come here. Yeah. All right, next thing to do is to properly bleed it so we can ensure optimum quality of this fish when we eat it, okay?
Yep.
Oh, I'm so mad we didn't get both. I wanted both. I know one's better than none, but we have a chance for both. Where's the birds? Someone done the birds?
Looking.
All right.
Wow.
That's how we do it, baby. ShutUpAndFishGuam.com. You know what time it is.
Shut up and fish.
Dump the gas there, man.
Yeah.
But he was like, hand it to me. He's trying to hook it.
Oh no, I handed it. Oh, that's a biggie.
Pick it up. Ready?
Wow.
Shut up
and fish,
baby, yeah! Try the one, the orange one. What is that, the roast? The bass.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Try the orange one. I will.
How's
He
this?
wouldn't eat the heart.
Oh, he didn't?
No.
Oh.
No, he was
I'm not cool.
epic.
Oh, it was fantastic.
We saw dolphins,
the
and
most
we
epic
saw
trip
sharks, and we caught fish, and we saw rainbows. It was the best day we have had on this island yet.
We got
And we
a
can say that honestly.
a huge yellowfin tuna, 11 total fish. It's
You
all
could
dolphin,
call it
shark.
the whole enchilada. Dolphins, sharks, fish, rainbows. Oh, and a booze cruise. We started off with a booze
Oh yeah, we
cruise.
started with these
flying
fruits.
fish.
Amazing.
Flying fish.
Sharks, dolphins, yeah. We got it all.
Awesome.
Got
Shut
it
up
all.
and fish. Way to go.
There you go.
Yeah.
You heard it first.
5-star.
Guys are awesome.
Thank you. Thank you guys so much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Awesome.
Make sure that you
Yeah.
subscribe,
Don't get one over
hit that like button, subscribe to Shut Up and Fish. It's an excellent time and we highly recommend it.
Shut up and fish!